there, Health Buddy viewers. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that often gets overlooked: cookware safety. We all know the importance of eating healthy, but here's the kicker. Don't waste your effort on healthy food if you're not watching out for the pan you're using to cook it. Let's explore 4 types of toxic cookware to steer clear of and discover 4 safe alternatives that'll keep you cooking with confidence. First up, let's talk about Teflon cookware. It's super convenient with its non-stick surface, but here's the catch. Teflon contains a plastic called polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE, which releases toxic fumes when heated at high temperatures. These fumes can lead to headaches, respiratory issues, and even pose risks to our furry friends, like pet birds. Plus, there's perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, lurking in there, linked to cancers. Swap it out for real cast iron or enameled cast iron cookware, which are durable, non-toxic, and even boost your iron levels naturally. Next on our hit list is aluminum cookware and foil. Sure, aluminum is lightweight and recyclable, but it's also linked to neurological diseases like Alzheimer's. The coatings on aluminum cookware can chip, releasing this toxic metal into your food. And when you cook with aluminum foil, acidic foods like lemon can accelerate this process, leading to unhealthy levels of aluminum intake. Say goodbye to aluminum woes and hello to glass cookware. It's non-toxic, eco-friendly, and won't hold on to any funky flavors or odors. Now let's chat about copper cookware. It's stylish and conducts heat like a dream, but watch out for too much copper in your diet. It can lead to serious health issues. Uncoated copper cookware can leach into acidic foods, causing nasty symptoms like vomiting and gastrointestinal distress. Stainless steel cookware is the way to go here. It's durable, lightweight, and comes in non-stick varieties, making it a safe choice for all your culinary adventures. Last but not least, ceramic-coated cookware might seem like a safe bet, but it often hides some not-so-friendly elements like lead and cadmium. These toxins can sneak into your food, wreaking havoc on your health. Even lead-free coatings can be risky if the cookware chips, exposing neurotoxic aluminum underneath. Your best bet? 100% ceramic cookware. It's made with natural materials, free from toxins, and built to last. In a nutshell, your choice of cookware matters more than you might think. Don't let your efforts to eat healthy go to waste. Watch out for the pan you use as well. By ditching the toxic options like Teflon, aluminum, copper, and ceramic-coated cookware, and opting for safer alternatives such as cast iron, glass, and stainless steel, you're not just cooking, you're cooking with care for your health. Remember, investing in your cookware is investing in yourself. So, have any of your cookware items made it onto the blacklist, or are you already rocking the safe alternatives? Let us know in the comments below, and here's to happy, healthy cooking.